sakali pong matanggap yung inyong application or matanggap kayo for the position, meron ba kayong list of dates na i-refer kay Pangulo na pwede po kalot sa inyo? Meron ba kayo?
Meron. Madali niyo.
Mga ilan, sir?
Saka na pag-usapan yan.
Mga ilan ang re-recommend?
That's very speculative. Mag-a-apply pa lang ako, ayun naman.
Pero sir, anong plano ninyo, sir, kung sakaling matuloy ang pagiging ombudsman, sir?
Plus, I have my work cut out for me. I have to talk to the JBC about it first. I think the JBC is in the best position to appreciate whatever I have to offer for as ombudsman.
Sir, sa meeting sa Bungero, si Alias Tobay, nagbasa ng po ba ng affidavit sa inyo?
Statement, meron akong nabasang statement. I don't know if it's an affidavit, parang hindi pa siya police sworn na. Wala akong nakitang pirma sa nabasa ko. But he must probably have one already.
Magkikita po ba kayo? Nakaschedule po ba?
Hindi, wala naman kami schedule today. Wala naman schedule. I think that I have no idea.
Soj,
Napag-usapan mo sa peace conference na
Hindi lang, yung mga kailangan gawin ng police pa na verification and validation of data.
Soj, lumulutang yung pangalan ni Gretchen Barreto doon sa missing sa Bungero. May ganun ba?
I cannot comment on that yet. Kasi we have to, sabi ko nga, we have to validate a lot of data.
Pero may ganung info din kayo na may artista ka na.
More than that, marami pa. There are others.
Iba pang artista?
Basta, there are others.
Kamusta yung coordination nyo with Japan tungkol dun sa Taal Lake?
Hindi, sumulat pa lang kami.
Wala pang...
Tutulong ng ROV. But he will be able to get equipment from the Bureau of Mines sa Geosciences. Because sa DNR,
sarili na natin, sir.
May sarili tayo. Pero we still need mapping facilities. Kailangan mababa natin.
May timeline ba kayo? Sir, kailan nyo target?
As soon as possible. And alam mo naman DOJ, the deadline is always yesterday. There's never a timeline that's enough for anybody. Laging kulang ng oras. Diba? The deadline is always yesterday.
Pero sir, balik ko po sa ombudsman.
Kulo nyo naman. Ano kayo eh. Isa-isa lang.
Dami, sir.
Ombudsman lang, sir. Nasabi niyo na po ba kay President yung plano niyo po?
Naparating ko na. I was able to... I told a mutual contact. It was a very good mistake.
Ano po sagot ni President?
Wala naman. Wala sinasabi.
Pero sir, wala kang may iwan dito, okay lang na iwanan mo?
Hindi na, meron, I think that we're solidly organized here, and it can stand on its own if the succession is okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.